Delmy says, "Hi, I believe some of you have seen this question on social media. 6 exponent, this you have an exponential equation and with a linear equation here. Although it looks a simultaneous equation, you can use simultaneous equation to solve, but what if I tell you that here you do not need a simultaneous equation to solve this? Well, some might use simultaneous equation to solve, end up using logarithm, and some might even move to Wolfram approach and so on. But it's not needed. All you just need to do is an expansion. That's all. Now, first, since this is a simpler equation, this is just a linear equation, we address the top one and we make it simple. So 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent y equals 42. So I will first express this, first expand this in terms of a product of two numbers. But here, since there is 6 repeated 6 here, so I'll prefer using the product of two numbers involving 6 in it, and that is 6 times 7. So you have 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent y equals 6 times 7, 6 times 7. Okay, so the expression here is what I'm expanding. So instead of 42, I have 6 times 7. Now, 6 is repeated, so that means that 6 is a factor. So what I have to do is just 7, express this 7 as an expansion form. So I expand the 7 here. Now since 6 is here, so we will expand the 7 in terms of the sum of 6. So that means 6 plus what give 7. So yes, 6 plus 1. So you have 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent y equals 6, then bracket open. We can make this multiplication a bracket, a parenthesis. So you have 6 plus 1. Or you can make it 1 plus 6. Addition is commutative. So then you see that the left hand side equation is almost the same as the right hand side equation. So it's almost the same as the right hand side expression. So the expression on the right hand side and the left hand side are the same since it's an equation. So what you do is expand this so that you have two terms here, then you compare. So you have 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent y equals, then you have 6 exponent 2 plus 6 exponent 1, so 6. So this means that by comparison, we can say x equals 2 and y equals 1. Note that addition is commutative, so that means that we can change the position of this term. So we can have 6 plus 6 exponent 2. So you may also have this. So in short, it means that x equals 1, okay, and y equals 2, or x equals 2 and y equals 1. And when you put that into the equation 2, you get your answer. I believe it's well understood. Thank you.